Good morning, everybody. Another episode, another day. My name is Tumisang Skosana. Ngihleli namagenge today. The spirits are high. We've got haircuts. Yes. Bona si high spirit. Mara, before we start, we are going to pray. Stella uZulu boy asithandazele. Amen. Sha. Yeah.
Singathola amehlo ke manje. Yeah, baba siyabonga ukuthi sikwazile ukufika lana. Njengoba sizocela isession ngicela baba usilonde ube nathi singene la sijule singene ngesiphelele nangenhliziyo nangihlaluhanye until isession iphele konke sicela egameni lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Amen.
Yeah. Sicela sijule ngeinhliziyo nangezihlaluhanyo ne. Yeah. Senze ngomoya wethu wonke ne. It's another episode yethu How was your week ne? Ngicela ukuthi sibeni to the point ne. Singayile ne. Mara sijule to the point. Yeah, mina ngizocala this week iviki lami beli hectic nyana, beli heavy mara ngikhonile ukovercome. Ubudilo ohleli phambi kwami lo izolo bekayedi iplekes. Yeah. Bekayenza i-podcast yethu. You know ukuthi this whole month, is it the month or it was a week? It's the month of men and about their health, ne? So izolo bebakhuluma izindaba ezinhle ulava ungitshelela Adam mfana kanufisa. Yeah, so wait nantwe ke ratang ne, it's important hore esbatho re ska wela mo moleting o mo one ka moka. Yeah, if someone ya shelo ramo wa fisa, careful. It would be stupid for all of us to be burned by the same thing. So kuhle ukuthi sibe nendawo where siyakhona ukuxwayisana, we can make each other aware and then we learn from those incidences. But mini vikram was okay. This week I was consistent in the things that I said I wanted to do. I was a lot calmer. Relationship ya ka le modimo it's growing stronger and stronger. Ke leboha le hore ke ngwana moruti. O itse bona le dilo tse dingwe ne ke bone hore because papa ka ke moruti I was saved from a lot of things and I've got good habits. And I thank God for those opportunities tsa hore ke hudile ke le good girl. Khale ne ke bona nkare ke bari. Mara ke leboha modimo for bo bari ba ka because of being protected. O itse dilo tse dingwe ne it takes time to heal than to avoid. Yang Tolani? Restoration and healing is good. But what happens if you stay away and you don't even need to be healed? Hape henkafya, tsantsore ke fole from ho fieng hole. Mara henka sefi, wa bona hore I don't have to go through the healing process. So kunezinye izinto it's better to avoid them. But prevention is better than cure. So mini viki lami was a very great week. And I achieved most of the things that I wanted. My children are learning even better. Hona le ntengwe ne ntsatsela nyana so mara ke menotse pride. Wa itse pride ne ena le tla ka ditsela tse subtle o sa e bone. And a ona ntwe e sele ka modimo tshwana le pride. Ne ke na le boikgokgomoso like I was kuna something enzakalile and most of the time ke rata hore modimo ke khopela o nthuse ke khone ho ira something. Mara this time ne ke feel hore nna ke na le di what ke tla ira what khanti ke a senya bona. So because ntwa teng is a sensitive and it involves authorities, maybe e re ke iphake ke tla re ha ilukile then ka bolela hore no ho irahalang. Mara ke leboha modimo hore aka ba le moya o la wa ho a itse wa no ha ya mokwepa. Yeah, Cobriz, yeah. Hey, no one to hell, young. yeah ke fila hore motho la nka mmotsa ene moya wa modimo wa rai ya bona manje so ya off ramp and every time when we ikirela dilo wa sing hape modimo ha for nna my walk with God a tsamaye le nna a nyaka fela ke ra dilo tse right. My character is mostly tested when no one is watching, where there are no cameras, where there are no Dlalisa boys, you know, because that's where it matters. So I was going to make the name of God look bad. So ka ikokobetsa ka bolela pila ka kira ke le proud because ha ka tsohelwa ke maikutlo and prove the point. I was able to humble myself, which is a very, very difficult thing to do. So yeah, my week was fantabulous. How was your week, buddy?
Halala.
Sure.
Ntaba fit. Yeah, ndaba fit ubeka ke nelishapo vela. Because vele ndabantu ba mimele podcasting mawani. So ish Tuesday le la boraro ne ke tswile ka nnete wa fit. Ne ke tswile ka nnete wa fit a go lo tsamaya I was so scared. Yeah. Camera.
Yeah.
But then like kala boraro before like the podcast ne ke go founela mme mo motora mme nna ke cancel ke tswile. Oh so like ne ke tshwara no disappoint but then like if it's free ha ke fitla dave like say I think ke se bile maphelo ma jita mabaya. So like I be ke na le sharp ke metso ya Great King Sunday ba fit.
Yeah. Sure. Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, Mina, my week was good. It's always about football in Piloya, and yeah, I think and then yabuya iball of foot. So there's nothing interesting in your foot in Yenzako. But what I liked yesterday actually yabo bengihleli ne-twins lami ebusuku and then like besifunda iBible song. So it was very good. It was very interesting. And then unye la but beka preparela next week Monday where sizoba ne-Bible study yethu. So beka hleli nami senze sithu and then ngimnceda la angoziku like angichazela iverse lelo so and then angibuzisa ukuthi how do I understand it and then ngiyamtshela and then naye imupha ama idea naye uyangitshela ukuthi understand kanjani and then yonke into lethu sayicombine kube into eyi-one. So it was very interesting. So I think yabo if senze into enjalo continuously so yeah it's gonna be good and then nami ngizizwe khululekile emoyeni and ngizizwe ngifeel close to uNkulunkulu like discussing about him nezonke izinto lezi njalo. So it was very good and then nangi-12 sohosta event yabo lena into manje esifocus kiyo manje yasi-2 ukuthi at least nathi sibe abantu aba-different eMamelodi. We believe hence township yethu iso singayibelieve ukuthi we can change ama-surroundings wethu sa-change those young boys abakhula under thina ukuthi babe better human beings njengathi. So it was a very interesting week. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu for everything angenzela yona empilweni nami even when si-struggle but those struggle lezo siyazicinisa and sometimes sizoba nama-situation azosifosta ukuthi siphume endleleni kaNkulunkulu but yeah because of his God uzokwazi ukuthi asibuyisele sibilonga khona. Thank you.
Sure. Ocean Basket.
Yeah. Good morning, my good people.
Wena ke bone o na le music video e nngwe ya bucket.
Ke sa etla.
All right. Okay.
Ke sa etla mo.
Yeah.
Agna manzo manje, it's like my week was okay. Ke borile ke pay fa ka khono jimisa bana baka.
Okay.
Yeah, but my week was okay. And by the way, I'm dropping next week. I'm dropping a single.
Yes.
I'm dropping something with my producer. This week I was preparing the song. Neki lukisa mo ke patela batho ba tshwantse ka ba pateleng. Yeah, but I see on.
Ka bora moreki no patela.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aga tshwantse aga ro bona re dilo di bjang.
Yeah.
Yeah, re on.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Elele bafethu.
Sure.
Ana kunobe kithabile this week mema. Akunobe kithabile mema.
Yeah.
Ke monate. Kunobe kithabile. Ora fela.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke sharp bafethu.
Awa uthabise ke. Uthabise ke.
Ke tsile cherry bafethu.
Can't do yanu. All right. Yes, Musa. Musa relaje.
Yeah. Sharp.
So happy.
Ngolumakela mola.
Musa, wa bona hore wa kulmakela ke maka ao.
Yeah, tsepe mema.
Ka nnete.
Wa jalo ka rutlile go nna go mo.
Mara Musa, wait a minute. Mama ha o santse ne a tsamaile. Musa no o itaola ka motse wa mama.
Aku tlhalosetse.
motseng ne ka braka ka itse ke re bafethi ke tlhalositse gore wa ke le cheat a ke la itse mabazale o sala kwa ra situation e le gore vela la itse bo botla ke so e Christiana ngwanyana to mo masajanyana mo bona ba
Mara ka mkhoko o digiretse mosadi moswena. Yeah.
Aku tlhalosetse.
Yeah.
Kwa nna kwa mema ntshwa nna le motho o kolomaka ko ntlo.
Yeah.
Wa ntshwa.
Yeah.
Ko rumong ko ntle.
Yaka. Mara wena o se tikulumakele.
Ke na lo tswafa.
Wa
Ke tswa
Musa.
ka pela mem.
Mara anyway, ha re poseng hanyane or re fete. Wait ne. Wa bona ntwene ke yona ntwe e irang hore at the end of the day we objectify women. Like why can't you clean your own room? Like honestly.
Abe mo ke kolomaka mara ish mem. No ba ish mem ke ala.
Umntwana lo cleaner, yeah. Kahle kahle uyamuse umntwana lo. Ene usikabolela mabitso a batho. Mara waiting emabili ne. Musa, you have to clean your own room, buddy. Like to be honest and frank and fair. Clean your own room. Indaba ukuthi uthole intombazana okay siyabona mina ngifuna ukongratulate aqala ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi what's the purpose yale ntombazana because if ke reka phone ke nyaka communication if ke reka koloi ke reka mobility ke batla mobility we ranka ngwana o yeah ke gore ke nyako itse hore yeah
Ke bona nkare ke the one.
Ke the one. Okay. All right. And no hopola hore ne rona batho people of color ne ha re krele motho wa the one. Motho ka se wa the one forever.
Ke itse mem. A ona thusa
Una le ditshwanelo tsa o mo ira the one. Una le no when.
Ish.
Re fetanyana.
Speechless.
Wait a king ne re tlo iphosa re come because what you are doing is what a lot of boys are doing. Yes. And how fetsa ne how mo prekisa he ho tlo iragalang. And mabelo and then wa bona ba no ho iragalang ne then it's a perpetuated vicious circle etswelang pele. Because some things we can prevent them. Boyfriend and girlfriend, it's a topic for another day. If you say you have a girlfriend or you want a boyfriend, maikemisetso a hao ke eng? Because pila ne the problem ko rona rato ira dilo tse di leng khole le rona mara a rena maikarabelo. Because how do you switch your oven without baking? Anyway, hurry up, go back. Bajo.
Ulas.
Sure.
Ma'am, no, my week was good in bed though. So
Your week was?
my week, nearly sharp or nearly sharp.
Wait, I almost heard my week was good in bed. Well, not that bad also. We're not in your house. All right. Yeah, no. Yeah.
Not mad. Hey, Cheme.
Sure. Let's continue, Bajo, as you were saying.
Yeah, I remember a weekend though. So weekend under 15 hours. There le team so like
Wow, well done. Yeah.
So yeah, weekend it's a meal shop, man. Yeah, then Sunday. I can't know agreeing as well. Pila. Ish, can no shut off a lot of magic out in a mem. Lorry, but it's a shop or my see you. So then ish. Then there's some pila that's it. Your coach around, like, they expect like, now let's already play or soon. Come corner or now possibly Tommy or Regasio. So it's going on temple more. I mean. Alright, it's a roller gates on my cheetah. Lose right here. So no will appeal of fair.
And no 40 low to pon.
Yeah, I won't get with the pillow, man. For what we go.
Yeah. And what's the thing? Oh, it's not just fella who fall. Your stress level has gone down.
Yes.
So now your body is fighting the good fight. Why is it stressed? Re family wa rona, like we disadvantage our bodies. Waiting, I think stress is worse than HIV. I'm telling you, stress is dangerous because stress is a slow killer. Kura awon the symptoms before you know it, and that's why my loyalty among classes because of your defense is compromised. Because when you're stressed, stress it's supposed to be on you an alert form and then deal with the situation and then relax. So instead of your body recuperating and getting you better and stronger, it's still working on that issue that is unsolvable. So, hey, stress we must watch it.
Yes,
It's one of the leading causes. That's why COVID, I don't think really COVID killed people. It was isolation, being away from people, not talking to other people, and the stress of the disease. COVID. Stress more than the symptoms. So stress is very dangerous. So
yeah, man. Thank you, man.
Sure. Yeah, man. Monges, how was your week? Sure.
Oleg, man.
Oleg.
Bimnandi kakhulu. Ish, ngisadiniwe amathambo.
Yeah.
Besebenza weekend ezini basiphe 4. Mara mina into engijabulisile iperformance yabona eziningi ama. Engijabulise kakhulu ukuthi angitholanga la ngekarata man yellow card angithola
Well done. And you know that's actually an achievement because you lost, and on top of that, your emotions could have charged and you could have been late. Marokonil composer, accept defeat with sportsmanship, and have a good game. Well done, Papa. Do you see, Guti? Every time you progress forward, you become a better man. He was encouraging other players. Yabona Mongezine, you are becoming a superstar. Stars are not made by wins. Stars are made by people who, when they're under pressure, they make sound decisions. Well done, Papa. Well done. The chairman wants to say something.
Alala. You know, one of the strategies in match fixing, especially in playoffs, game, you know what they do? They look at senior players, strong players, or Baba for the red card. So already, Monges, you must guard against that. People study the game, especially when they make decisions in the boardroom. In order to take people off, Masanganiga Zumongezi red card says we've killed their spirit. So I'm just saying, going forward, be aware, you are a target. We need to make sure, make sure that you irritate this guy more so that he can commit a foul and then we can red card him.
And it's not just in the field or on the field, it's off the field. What is it in your life that can trap you because of bias tumongezu unetemba? Besides the red card na on the pitch. Because I'm athletes, there are people who make decisions under pressure. Isn't it? You are constantly making decisions under pressure. Why is it nikwazi striker, nikwazi ukwenza ama goals mara you cannot translate that in your own life? Why kungabi ne congruency? Why kungabi nokuhlangana between pitch nempilo yakho? Because the person, you see what you've achieved today or what you've achieved this week, ukuthi azange uthole red card. Leyo nto leyo ufanele ikusebenzele empilweni yakho. It means ukuthi manje so you are able to self-regulate. Awusesene temper enefuse ephela masinyane. So let's say siyayithatha leyo scenario sisebumnandini. Someone uyakutargeta. Unofuna ukhosi rawo. Angithi bushile ukuthi uchairman ukuthi they can say he's a senior player, let's target him, let's irritate him. Let's just say someone something. Because chances are that can happen. So the same calmness, what you did on the pitch, you repeat it ebumnandini. Because I'll say okay, Mara, let's just say if it happens someone act irritating, how are you going to handle it? Because kunamanyama battles, it's you can engage in them. Kunamanye, they are better off. You know what? Also, silence is a form of weapon or weaponry. You don't always have to answer. You don't always have to talk. Sometimes keeping quiet is the best form of defense. And they say you will never misunderstand silence. Mara, you can misunderstand with Amara urileso. Mara, you can never misunderstand. Silence is silent. Ne? But well done, my guy. Well done. Pauline, how was your week? Baruska bulela maka, can't buy very well. Sure. Dintsan.
Majita kaofela
Sure,
mamzu
sure.
no 50-ish beka ka nele shapo and le lor like ish eshaka Monday ne dimpoela
Exam.
ish ebitsike mathomo ke tsena ka mola ke ngala exam high institution ka mo ke tsena ke se shapo ish o itse ba bala nnete ba re jo batswadi a re ba kere go high fail o itse ntho ish memo ntho e rileng ka Sunday it was too powerful cause like nna ke na le ntho e le gore nako nngwe ke tefe mmereko o montšhi le mo e leng goreng go na le choice gore santse ke no focusa ko ntong e one mara just because of no jumpela into conclusion or ish if ever nka se maybe ish e tla ba flop but not knowing gore if ever he nka botsisa gore mem if ever ga jego nka setle since ka o sa noga ba so not knowing gore like this thing ba tlo kgona go bona rane mfano vele wa le need letsatsi ish ntho like impontshitse gore bila ba bolela nnete ba re motho wa o belegileng a se ena fela le one motswadi cause like ke feditse be ne ke se sharp ne ke betha ke mala eish ba ntshwarane and even though like le nna go ke go ngwala exam ne o se ne ke le sharponyana mara at least ntho e nthatshitseng thata ish ke meme e rileng ya Sunday ne ke ratotse at this moment ke moleboe then nkiretse letsatsi nkiretse beke bila because of like I felt that my mom is still alive like ke feel connection le on tsara cause look ha ke hapeleditse se se ka ara wena ka itso ka ruira sela ona motho thiba obo mara ke tse ka rekela go tseleng ke founela mmem ara chiga ene ke chiga mola o itse mo tseleng re mara hape motho ka mokgwa o khona ke ka mokgwa mona o khona itse mama ka hana ka bolela ibile neng bo lo na hana be di neng ka sena and when o la na e bolela le serious ntsa ana mmitse mmeme ena o e tla pila mara wena mmeme hana o botsora o ire selo a bona no sna re ba reng mara disenyele ngiretse beke mara no ba ntwe wane fela lo re antswenya ish na la barengwa ga ba re ke sebisiso makeke la mitsi ish tamane ke mnyaka bheke mo sessioning ga ke tsoro why mara pelo ga no eno mpotso re like mfano jo mfano motse o mmusetse ta ke feditse beke ka birthday ya hae ne ke na le ena re tlhole o botlhe go ka se go khoneng ka mmotso re mkhutsi a Friday ra sessioning tamana ra tshwa ben ke khala ke sa ye what if ba ka re jona re ba ka so thabile a no re ba ka so thabile bra ba manna ke itse re wa mara nna pela ga le menseta ga mpotso re daman santsa no ba sessioning le ga go furu ke tlhomo kokotela a kere lor like ne re sena mabone go seta rena mara na vele furu ke khonno tso ga bya mitsi ka gase ena ka mokara sa re betso itse o ire skis chongas va ke so tlhapa o ka ra ena ro next year so ba fito a ke itse wa na le connection le yena ba fito go bala le nthusa ndima
A felo go morao.
ke mnyaka beke ba fito damana ka le botse mak like a bona ngano bana damana bule sessioning ke achievement ta ga ye ke na tse dintsi ba fito
Sure.
Sanibona. Hayi anginawo manje nami anginawo manje. Iviki lami vele kahle majongo. Angilinga siphe nangitswara mina. Yeah, hayi. Khabtsana.
Yeah, I una silo wena. All right. Sure. Wait, before tswela pele maybe just to give a bit of background. Ugila bona he and Poland and I know what he's talking about. Poland nangwala Monday, his first exam. So one phone la Sunday, I remember ke khupela o botsise sebusiso re ke tle go di grounding straight or ke fete go tsakana. Ke ra wa Poland when you can't go we lo rekisa today. Wa ngwala ka usana. Ar mara mem le na tshwantsho ke ra wa you have to go back home and study. Ke re ngwala ne a re ke ngwala Monday ka 3 ke ra wa, you need enough time to study and prepare. So that's when he went back home and he studied so that we can have an understanding or why he was able to go back. And wait, papa ne ntho e bolelang, it brings joy and an honor to me. Ho itse hore although mama how o robetse, you see me in that light. Kore yona, it's the most humbling thing for my heart. Ingenza ukuthi ngibe otherwise. Yeah, mara I thank God for that opportunity.
Eh, bafethu.
Sure, Kokla.
My week was okay, wabona. Cause like not everything can be irakatatelano. Net it might be hard to maintain a discipline, wabona. Mara solango ka itshwara ka yi. Ntlo ba mona.
Ore o ira dilo ka eng?
Katatelano.
King eo, like.
Kalai.
Oh, okay, yeah. Hey, phela. Yeah.
Ai na ke mese
Yeah.
mama wona. Ene bile wima. Ho seta discipline e ke na leng yona no. Like ke te setetse yona.
Okay.
Le nna ke khona bona ra no ke straight.
Good discipline ya eng?
Like through everything, mama ke tlo rantshana. Like ke at humble always. A ke ratongang ebile a bona dilo tsa manganga ai. So like dilo tse mba like le ke te setetse na ka re go ira dilo ka nako eso. I do it. Lo ka tlhellang me ma sa brika. Oh, so like yeah, I'm happy for that.
You're happy about that, ne? Well done. Kokla.
Hola.
Sure.
Mina iviki na mina le famba shakahle.
Le famba kahle ne? Yeah, sure. Akuna nchumu, awuna mark. Itsona ne? Sure. Yeah. Dogs. Yeah.
Sure, Fitch.
Sure.
I love me very good and bad. Mara, we polo pela. Kale Saturday, I think na lupacho. Nakana deslala. Mina lupacho na three scocha the same division. So lava wina things bono pacho. Bangile 5 mina. They tebe ni 1. Ama coach wonke bewangekho mina. Bangidla 5, so ngijabule lupacho ukuthi at least ukazoba shower not meme tournament impilo. Yeah. And then sibuyela kithi be tournament meme. Bekunzima meme. Lesihlala yonke into kahle ngicala ebenchini first game. Amachita ngibona like ayadlala kahle mara wafika epalini. Nami mangena ngibona ngathi ngizoyenza into engcono. Meme bekunzima. Meme sadlala mara sifike epalini meme nangazi basebenzisana abantwana. Yonke into meme siyenza right. Epaleni meme ngithi sikhabela goalkeeper so next. Goalkeeper ka abamba ngabhola bathi sishutele kuyo. Yebo meme. First and second leg meme. Second leg at least first leg sikwazi ukuphuma ngenot no. Second leg laba sidla ngaki 4 labantu laba. So mina ngazi kenzakaleni leya game le meme. Anye ngithi beyinzima ngoba labantu laba siyabahlula ngento eziningi. But bona bathola chance eyi-1 igoal. Thina asifiki nase 18 yabo man. Siphelela khona la. Mara sabadrebula senza yonke into mara ufike epaleni asifiki so angazi leso ithini.
Yazi lento leyo ne, it sounds like what ne? You doing the right things but you don't end well. Like yeah, unokhona uyabona ezinye izinto vele ungasho ukuthi or ke dilo tsa batho or so nna ke nyaka go botsisa gore he ba tshela because everything mo bophelong ke ntwa. To do the right thing is a fight because everybody is doing the wrong thing. So wena mo ntweng ya batho ba ba tshelang wena o ilo irang. Or maybe or botsisa chairman. Yeah, ba tshela wena o irang.
Remember, it starts in the spirit, and then we are spiritual beings. So, wabona bona bana le happen to ngole ya ka believe. Bona ba believe akore that thing in order for it to work, it's because of the belief that they've put in this thing. Or he ke tshela so ke tshela hore ke be le matla or ke tshela or ke be luck must be on my side, or I must make these people not see anything. Now just imagine when now you are relaxed. A o iri selo. A o ngakeng, a o isangomeng, a o rapele lo rapela. Oh, jobo bet. You understand? So you need to empower yourself. Got something. Lo I have a belief. I must arm myself. So you decide to get the amakang. Either get the amakami kemi or get the amakamudim. But o enjenje or wana wa tsena ke ata bo no.
Mara flopo wa bona re o kro re chairman a ke re phela o hopola re a ke re ba dlalisa.
Yeah, okay.
And then the founders sa dlalisa.
Yeah.
Ke batho ba ba believer mo modimo. Let's say player rena wa believer ho tshela. Mara ba holo ba aba believe wa bona. And then e ba conflict ya di beliefs, so we bereka bjang.
Yeah, why is this tournament, to be honest with you, especially on the senior team, maybe physically we were ready, but mentally, emotionally we were not. There was a lot of infights, arguing, that's why I even have to be involved myself, select a squad. So I think the players themselves, it told me like management, we were not one. Believe you me, if from the top sharp, that spirit will pass down on the players, one way or the other. So I think this tournament, tournament. I mean, the coach, Yuka, was it Thursday we finalized? Or coach had tournament. Other players knew I did a squad on Thursday. They knew on Thursday or they're going to play on Sunday. So already our preparation was not right. So we can't expect miracles, but it's a learning curve.
So you know, you remember what he said, Ati, we would dribble, we would do everything, and then when we got there, we never scored. Yeah. So besides what they can do, let's say by a pandlana, let's say vele bathule in swembu plan ushaye zinge wabamba na maneti na ba confused no, let's just say mara because o hopole hore dilo tse dingwe di bereka ha o believer mo tsona. Let's say ba o tshelletse ba re ho hata mola so mare gasha uma lezo zinto lezo usubscribe kuzo zizokhona ukukulocate. Uyangithola ukuthi ngisho kanjani? Uma into, let's say like mina angikholelwa kulezo zinto lezo. Nanoma ungathi uthi wenzani, angithi mina ngikholelwa kulezo zinto lezo ezobumnyama. Mara mina kunento engikholelwa kuyo, which is praying and asking things from God. In that space leyo angeke uzungithole wena if ukule space lesi. Nishayana ngoba ni subscribe kuleyo moya. If niyaloya ekhayini laba abanye abaloya bayakhona ukuniphosa because of niyatholana la ngisho re kiring. But izinto lezo if you don't subscribe to them azinawo amandla ukuthi zikufinyelele as much as uma wena. So if these people bebaniphosile ukuthi ningaboni, we put that, we park it on the side. The problem uchairman aisho ati I challenge yenu, you had no chemistry as a team. Because as was iti Bible, no two people can work together unless they agree. There was a disagreement from management to the selection of the team to the team itself. Yes, nikogi kere one, maransi umoyo one. Besides ukuphosana. Because imagine if, let's say, Posa, you are of the same mind. There's chemistry, there's understanding. You've prepared together. You've understood, okay, lo dlala so, nibonene nifundene. Nanoma bangakuphosa kanjani, nizowina because of nine solid game plan. Angifuni ukuthi siphe amandla ezintweni. Kufana nomuntu uyathandaza ngamandla akhe the whole night uyathandaza mara akafunda uzofeyila. Do you understand? It's not the power or the force Are you disciplined now? You can't just pray and not want to work. And that's why a lot of people miss izinto. Umuthi, ne? Or ukuthandaza. And I don't want to put them in the same level. You can't do things without discipline. Discipline is number one. Bese I can add and say, you know what, I'm praying. Angikwazi ukuthi ngingapreparanga bese ngithi uNkulunkulu ngicela ungisize. Awwa, akusize ngani? You understand? So team, besides ukuphandleka, where you won. That's where we must look. So we don't take the finger and we blame other people for what they could have done. Tina, did we do due diligence to the work? Tina senzile iphathi yethu na. And that's why we said with our internal conflicts, they are going to trickle down to everybody. So yabona ukuthi thina kahle kahle edlalisa kufanele kube nani ne-introspection. Before singakhomba imino, asizibheke niqala. Ngoba the way you do this, 3 fingers are pointing at you. When I yini part when oyenza. And I go back again. How are you going to take this past weekend's experience into your life? Because if uzoba nebelief yokuthi abantu bayakuphosa, it means ukuthi when akuna part oyicabanga ukuthi mina ngayifixa because of ublamela imithi. Abantu abaningi babelieve kasana abantoya nazo. Ban lawyer ibile ditsela tsaka di tswalehile na di ntsi vele ban loile nna. Mara o bolela ka boloine o tswa ka 10 ha o discipline o tswa ka babi a o sound minded a wa banna ha re tlose boloi re bobiemo ne re lebelle wena yini into yenza every day kahle A1 no imsebenza yikho igovernment ayisenzeli next yekela government on the side wena we won yini into yenza kahle completely we won lento koketsa ishoyo if you say you're going to wake up at 6 you are a liar when you wake up at 7 stop blaming witchcraft and the government you are ill-disciplined and that's the truth yabana abantu masingazibheka sizobona ukuthi problem akusi everyone the problem has always been us and then once we work on us uzobona ukuthi mhlapila nekisanoyiwe nekitswafa yeah asibuloyi ke hore ke a tswafa ena kenya go bereka wa ntshwara so we stop pointing fingers and we start looking within if there's a problem angizibuze ukuthi what part of this problem have I contributed? Yini portion yami kule problem? Because akuna problem yenza umuntu oyi-1. Kune part nawo yenzako. For example, if mina naye siyalwa, okay, thingamfaki ke young man. Mina noSikhosi siyalwa. If mina noSikhosi siyalwa ne, and uSikhosi uphila, I can't think of an example. Uphila ngikwatisa ne. Uze ekhaya late for an example ne enike yenzeka ne ezekhaya late ne ngithi kuye Lavi ngicela ukuthi ungeze ekhaya ebusuku honestly ne mina uLavi makangekho ebusuku ngimangilala I can't fall asleep like it's hard when uma ngimuzwa then ngiyakwazi ukulala so most of the time bengithi mangilala angekho awubuthonga bikho ngimcele ngithi Lavi ngicela ukuthi ungeze ebusuku ebusuku kunosathani uyakhumbula chob awa dimani angeze angangilaleli bese ke ngiyakwata manje bese ke manje ngiyangala ngimkhulumisi ngiyathula leyo problem leyo between mina naye ubani oyilethile nguye uza late ne mara mina mangingala ngingasamkhulumisi am I not adding to the problem? I am. Yes, he brought it. Ne? He didn't listen to me. But when I sulk, And I stopped communicating. I'm part of the problem. Example, ngibona ngathi ready for ukuthi uchaza some things. Yeah, maybe bofuna usho something.
No, what I've learned from that, Batin, I'll just give a quick example. Izol, and even this morning, that's why I came late. You know, when you are honest about how you feel or ungasi comfortable about something, you'd rather voice it out. And then nikhulume ngayo, and then manphela iphelile, yabo. In the past, ukuze ebusuku ngihlupha black layer sembambeni le no sathane le. But sometimes it will be situations where I say, I know my wife does not like coming for me with things ebusuku. But ukuthi ibe a situation beyond my control, ne. Noma ngifika da, we are relaxing. Hey, love you sharp. I'm sharp. But you can see this person, she's not giving you an opportunity to engage and also expressing how she feels. Because the more she expresses, the more you are conscientized with, as in, this thing doesn't want. I'll give an example. There's a younger brother of my friend and associate. He wants to be in the security business. So I've got qualifications, the company is the security, what. So it means I can procure guns and all of those things. Yeah, so now he asked me.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the guy asked me, man, the only thing that I didn't do, competence. Yeah, I started it, I left it. Now he says, no, but why now he's saying it? No, you know what? I'm not doing it because of principle, because my wife does not want it. So umanga tolis bamu it's gonna upset my wife. So already now saying yes, I know what is it that my wife does not want. So I'm not gonna even beat about the bush. I told him, and then I'll be managing him. But because of I know deep heart, she made me understand why she does not like guns. So I've accepted, I've made peace. So in our relationship, in our marriage, there will never be an issue where she gets upset or gets agitated about issues of guns. That chapter says we've got a common understanding. So there will not be any need for me to accept it. When something comes that has to do with guns, I refrain. The only thing that I do, people took competencies using my company, like Uteboho, he's got a competency, company. But for me, because I know the impact and how it will affect madam, so I'd rather play far.
Siyabonga baba. Mara indaba le besivela kuyo ukuthi ne asicheckeni ukuthi issue ubani. Ne? Take your part. Ne? When you take your part, you are moving forward. Mara, if it's always witchcraft's faulty, banbani's faulty, we need to learn to face issues straight on. Ukraine mfowethu. Yokugcina papa.
And then that day Sunday later on coach just checking indaba ezile. Ukuthi iEPL anyeke basakwazi kuma playoff. Because of case nyana yethu besinayo yabona man. So enye into ezisuplu as a team so ngoba bekune Super League ne EPL. So lento le like izisuplu especially laba abancane mabasijwayelanga into ezinje. Because like both teams Super League na EPL sadeserve kuma playoff mabaswinile. Super League aswaqedanga ama game we-22 bawathengile ukuthi ama opponent angadlali. Nama opponents sawabona nawo groundini man. Akhita ngathi babapha imali bakhumula igera basadlala so swina nga 2 goals kuphela then ama opponent awu number 2 bawina nga 7-8 baze basidlula ngama goal team EPL bona beba right babashiya ngama goal kahle angazi kune case yabo bathi yini sebayiwinile lo case kanjalo so asayi so lento le like iletha like i-division ngobuningi angithola because abanye abafana sebacanga ukuthi next season into yenzakalani yabo and babuza thina abadala thola ukuthi kwamanje asikakabi nalawo ama-answer lawo but sabakhuthaza sibatshela ukuthi ibhola le not everything izoba fair yabo especially if yonke into ihamba ngendlela yakho like kudlalisa like into eziningi ezinhle like sinama-privilege amaningi kulethini yabo compared to amanye ama-team and lento liyayijabulisa abantu abaningi legasi so bazama by all means ukusibhayizisa ukuthi singasheshe sifike la sifuna kakhona so mina bengifuna ukunibuza no-chairman ukuthi like singabatshelani laba abancane ukuthi sibakhuthaze in terms of lento ze-match fixing because mina ngifila ngathi izinto zisazoba khona noma siya phambili and then sozihendlela kanjani and angisho ukuthi nathi sithenge yabona mina net like singayenzani ukuthi if it's like maybe singayenza if sihlangana ne-same situation whereby ba-manipulate ama-game wethu thina soyenzani and then etafuleni sazi ukuthi we can win etafuleni ngoba sizamile uke etafuleni sifailile next time masihlangana nayo lento leyo like so reacta kanjani because lento le affecta the whole team yabo
okay yazi into esimple ne and it's just that we always face kind of the same thing but on a bigger scale. Let's say like nise classini or niyabantwana abancane ne udlala ngebhola and someone maybe stronger awuthathele lona uzwenzani what's the most natural thing to do uyokhala ne okay the next thing ukwenzani uyopayisa ne okay mawuqeda ukupayisa beze wena ungayenzi njalo muphi ibhola kungabi loya kube someone else akuthathela ibhola what are you going to do because it's going to be the same challenge that will keep facing you until you win it kuhle ukupayisa but for how long uyoreacta ne uzodlala ngendlela yakho ne maybe udobhistina kape ngestina or something because it's escalation ne yilento bengifuna ukwenza ukuthi how are we going to deal with like we need conflict management skills uma abantu singazwani nabo or kuba ne-injustice ethile eyenzakalayo how are we going to deal with it yazi I saw some clip and isikhathi sethu siyashane I saw some clip where two people were arguing with each other ibhuliyeza itshela lawyer wena uso umubi and then the one that's been bullied I said no don't talk to me like that yes you're ugly and I hate you so there was a conflict between bona two the bully had power to say whatever he could say as long as naye avumela ukuthi akhulume lento embi mawuthi kimi ngimubi uthi hayi ungasho njalo ungizwisa ubuhlungu ungiphi power mawuthi kimi ngimubi uthi yebo ngiyazi bokuthi ngenze ngale information you break me so abantu abayenza into ezinjalo you will give them power when we start trembling under their oppression. You need to find a way yokuthi these boys and I had said to coach I need to come and talk to the whole team. We need to talk about it. Akusindaba ye-league or yokurobiwa. It's a life it's a general problem. Kwenzakalani usho ukuthi imedia yakho le some guy eze azomthatha in front of you as naye avume. How are you going to deal with that? You'll keep his palm. Umdubule. If you yabona ilezinto ekufanele ukuthi siziprepare for zona. The thing is papa ne iqiniso ukuthi ne time and chance happens to us all. If people understand ukuthi ipower ayisilo umuntu onesibhamu, ipower ayisilo umuntu lo ozitshela ukuthi unepower, ipower belongs to God. For now i-league is not yours. Whether bayithengile or not, mara isikhathi sizofika. And leso sikhathi masifika, sizofika uthole ukuthi maybe banipha ama-red card ni-3. Nisele ngabantu abayi-8, nibashaye. With limited resource, because why? Your time has arrived. So it's not a matter of how powerful are these people. Power is only attributed to God. And there are certain people, even if they're evil, God allows them to continue. Because everything in expiry date. Yeah. Inesikhathi sabo. So umuntu makafuna ukuthenga ama-players bahlale lapha isikhathi sabo. Wenza what they know how to do. Mara wena uzoyenzakalani uzophathwa inhliziyo isikhathi sakho asikakafiki. Buyela ku boardroom. Prepare better. Buya ku field, train harder. Because isikhathi sakho masifika masikuthole ready. Yangithola. This season was not our seasons. Accepting. Next time is yours. And the next time akuyisikhathi sethu uNkulunkulu avumile. Hayi ngoba sihleli kuphela. We do our part. Mara uNkulunkulu avumile, I'm telling you. Siyowina ngamadoda ayi-8. Because isikhathi sethu. Yangithola. So as well. Yeah. Madoda, phela isikhathi siyashaya, siyaphela and bona kusesenabantu abangakanani. Yeah.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma le ya stocks eqalini yabo. Uthe yena udliwe. Ceda ubhajwa wina. Yabo. So ngifuna ukumcorrect ukuthi in everything, especially ngisho isebenza C3. So because I understand ukuthi yonke into C3, it's either it's a lose. You lose yethu sonke C3. And then if it's a win, you win yethu sonke. So akusukuthi singayenzi into individually so because isebenza sonke. It doesn't matter ukuthi ubuso bakabani uplaphana ngegame esidliwe. But imsebenzi C3 ejimini. So abantu ukuthi babonane akunandaba bona. But if thina sazi indaba zethu ukuthi sisebenza singaki and then win ibuya kithi sonke because of it's us, is train ama-player, is train ama-coach, is train ama-player. So win le i-benefita thina sonke. Bashayile ekucaleni, it's fine. And this time siwinile game.
Sibashayile. Sure. Coachara. Sure.
Hola bafowethu.
Sure.
Nimnandi mayibhakasi. Mina ukhuluma kancane ngeyaka stocks Sunday kunodamana omunye bathu semikhedira. Uzile ngihleli noGates athi yabona ukuthi idlalisa iwin. Sonke ngabe sinenhliziyo zaka Gates bezizoyiwin igame. Maka mina beyingakhonakala ukuthi sonke mesinenhliziyo zaka Gates egroundini C11 sizoyiwin igame. Maka omunye nomunye une rule ekufanele ayidlale. Angezidlali ngoGates kuphela. Angesifaka ama center back ay11. Bangayidlala igame maka they won't win. Uyangithola mem. Yeah, mina iviki lambeli mnandi mnandi mem. Yeah. EXP into.
Sure. Asizwe Tseho, I'm happy. Vuyo. Before Majida kaufela, Vuyo, I'm happy for you, Papa. You are in a much better place. Ngiyakubona nasemoyeni wakho ukuthi uyaqina. I'm happy for you. Yeah. Nasebusweni uyambona ne? Sure. Uyaglowa ne? Yeah, sure. Tseho. Hola. Sure. Yeah.
What's it, Mamos?
Yeah.
Say, Tata. Boto. Bar. Never be keeping shop. Besides, already say, nah, see the flu, Mara.
Sure. Why torna kwa haifikile? Yo, sure, tamam. Okay, mo feng chance.
Ashe, ma'am, sure, ma'am. Hola, Majita.
Sure.
Yeah, nabiga guys. Nelo monate. Moja. Yeah. Yung kintong nga.
Sure.
Exe.
That's waar.
Goeiemorgen, Jelle. Hoe gaan het? Is je lekker? Goed, dat gaat goed, man. Ja, is. Nah, ik lwala, yo. I was very sick, so is. Need yo. I couldn't breathe at night, like, yo. I couldn't breathe, bro. Like, you feel me? Like that was tough, bro. That was tough. So, yeah, man. So it wasn't a good position to be in, especially because, you know,
Guys?
we gotta go and, you know, put in the work in, they buy the business, you feel me? So, you know, sell some hot dogs and stuff, you feel me? So I couldn't really do that because I was sick, you feel me? So, yeah, but no, yeah, I could buy a beter. Yeah.
Anyway, it's okay. Even complexion, how you're a bit, you're lighter.
Yes. I can only get up a mele.
I will.
Yeah, man. No, I get a muntlo. I get a meme. Get the Charles. Get the over. Netflix is la. Yeah, answer. Yeah. But yeah, I guess like no. I guess like yeah.
That's awesome. O sharp, o moletse, ke nna kwa hao. O tshaba?
Exe. Litsa ya Majita. Soft. Asa re ta jambisa. Mem na Majita vega ka le nna le monato. No sna mathata ish. A bile Sunday Majita hethile. Ar hethile. Mara ish nna ke ba blame gore batho ba le ba fitile mo pela rena ba botlhe ba tswaletse matsobe a so ba botlhe wa bona mem kuri wa bona lo ena o ra mo chemistry broad daylight ba phatlola on tshwara mara yona zanga ra itsela tlhong sintse re bona game ka mkhoblela ntok sorry o itse mem nan team engwe he ba itja for not wa bona lo ena ra team wa itlhale gore ba dlalang tumtuma bana build up from gore o tloa go morao mara bona gore vele ne ba ntse ba dlala gore le di first touch wa bona gore motho o relaxed mara a tshowa wa bona ba idlikitlanyana fela o tshanyana mara a o iralo go pele mem wa bona mem gore le bone ba be ba betho bjana mem bo tough guy ba tla ba tiste di fatlhego go tenteng kwa wa bona and then mem serious mem batile ba kwatile mem tough guy go mo ra to re tshwe jo re se la senyana ore no go no nna fatswa ma tla loka jo wa bona mem more then and which is arsa le re tshe a re tshe ka mkho ne re ntse re tshehang gore gore wa itso ra mara di sa tloa bjana 4 ka ona winning yana draw fetsa mo wa bona mem then yo le rena ya re heta because of it doesn't bring joy to mang us on tshwana gore re tlhakane bjana gore nana ba bang fela ba nana thata bona getse go mongwe ra to tshwenyana lona letsatsi le ina tlalla khole blank and nano go motshela ba bona mara so long as bona ba experience tsore kimi ya phela mem le nna ke e bone ntho mem because of ne ba dlala mem gore o itse ke ra bya mem motho me be ke re heljiwa vele le jiwa lo eno tlo tshuwa be no tshwara bolo beno wa thuthumela nyana o re go irang gore batho ba more advanced than us wa bo beno mara wa bona gore mara mo wa dlalile no bo le re pala ke yone sa bona le maybe pala ne ba e bone ka lesaeteng kore or ne ba e bone fella mo senteng kore a vele nima se la fitlha ka mara di iti zanga serious man wa bona lo eno ra mapedi a le mema tisitse man wa bona mem a ba prepared mara er ke ska betha nako ke tswe ke fe
before o fa buti o nyako bolela something mo yeah
nna ntho e nka le botsang yona Majita di teng ya setlhare le eng e sa le kwatisa jo sa mathomo re ba fana and re dlala le batho ba bagolo o putse gore why ba tla ka ditlhare le eng kore re jo dira ntho ewe rabo so nna ke yona ntho e mpushang everyday ore a jo tshwanetse ke phele ke phusha ke sa wara ka batho ba bangwe gore ba irang wa ntshwara
nna ne khopelo bolelanyana nnyane bafethu taba setlhare bafethu ka e utlwa la ntshwara le diamonds ne ba dlala ka setlhare lena perspectives ya lena ne le naganne eng la ntshwara bafethu game nngwe le nngwe e tlo phela e le difficult e tlo ya ka approach gore e approacha bjang lena diamonds la bona ba dlala ka setlhare le lena le botsa eng setlhare la ntshwara tshwanetse le iphiiseng taeteng no gets mo nga teamina nyalwe uyobona ama-action one wamobuluki damani uyalwe vayela ukuthini into ecabanga uyangithola phakeme kufanele sitshentshe ngendlela esicabanga ngayo uyangithola bafowethu
uyamusa ushaya into enamandla njani athi if uthi ngiyakuloya ama-action wami nanoma ngase ubuloyi uzobona ubuloyi because what ila maglazi wagcokile perspective vuya uphethe indaweni amandla
the shyest person ever Tswara
umnandi but yeah
Hallelujah. Mam, vikela mina le fambi kahle na injury ya mina na swi kota ku famba nyana kahle no kala ni nga tsutsumi mara ni kahle se ni he pinta kumane ni head coach ya mina Shin e fambi ti game na swi famba kahle se ni yo boreka no ni swa ku under 17 mama se fambi ku Portugal se ini borile daiden mara swi famba kahle
ile nto be anjela ntox everything papa ina nkarhi ya yona wabona amsabeni if ingayijondisa that thing we're gonna live long everything ina nkarhi ya yona wabona nkarhi ya wena ayikafiki and like free your heart ungati ubuhlungu kuri bafambile baya Portugal nkarhi ya wena itata because if ever ungaba izokhawa tube ne stress everything mfana mina ina nkarhi ya yona amina loku ni re nkula ne dichomita mina ta chata bakuba bana nifila kurawa mara no so hawa nkarhi fambile kasi xikwembu xa tiva ku ri wena u tshama u relaxa u nga ti compare na vanhu lavan'we because your time will come rest assured u nga be stressed and u va bela mavoko loko va famba boss u fine sebenzile ba shaye u ba jabulele that's how you kill jealousy u nga bi nekwala nkarhi ya wena ito endlani itafika sure yeah sure sure yetile how was your week
Actually, my week was okay, man. Yeah, Who is it? Who is it? Oh, you sharp, man. Yeah.
kanti a ke re wena no le busy ka pen ka tse go ba busy ka wena ya o ro shapo eng o lositse phone ile shapo ka eng
Sharp, as you said, man, must not worry. Worry.
ne ya re ska stressa ya re ska stressa di tlhare or eng ya sure mfana
Sure.
Sure, Majid.
sure
Special guest.
sure yeah
Islam bega ngari. Okay, Majid, I can't say number.
sure all right mo fa chance baba mo fa chance
Okay, sharp na memi. Bega nga nese weta wala neto wa nese sharp vanderore. Re na re luziza wona so fa tho tlhoboletse mo go ano winne so wa wona. La re tlhanga re tshwana. Yeah, I nga re luzize mara holan like luzela ngutse botlhoko data bo mo lo re like le this guys anga dala the whole week guys anga dala bola no mogileng ko teng like the whole week ne ke ntse go jarata until ke lata ke twine fela re tjia go mmolo ne ba rumile something but anything else I get sharp
o sharp o dlalla which club papa
for tournament ne ke dlalla ngo ba ke bleed
okay so wena a umfana wadlalisa mara utlile mone kwadlalisa squad. Oh, okay, all right. My eventualities. So Mpo, you are welcome, Papa, to be with us. You've got good spirit. You are fitting so well. Oh, we took him a jive. All right. Yeah, no. Wait a second. We had a good session, eh? Awa ke ra ke so fetse nka le bala yang mara motho wa ka oh yes au konale this guy it is kantoma this guy I'll take a bullet any day for this guy yeah ungirile musadi mutho sure my sure yeah how was your week buddy
Alala. Hey, my week man, generally it build up to be okay. Mara, it's like a paper. Sunday, I don't know if big guy you've seen. Here in Zida, heli kit up just before you're going to play. Hoba le ane branyana so. Uruhile so mufi. You see this guy, he wants to get a reaction. Better. What's the phone 20 and no fit a failure? Kirmara, this guy, Umar. But in my heart, Kirmara, I want to apologize. Kirmara Kirling. We leave him.
Sure, Mpanara. Yeah, no. Goodness, and the lape move, yeah. I'll wape masingan, yeah.
Le program le sinceda kakhulu awa mem. Njengoba bolong bakazukufila ipain esifila masiqeda ukudliwa mem. It means a lot yabona mem. Ukuthi sikwazi ukuhlala nabo sisi express le sifila ngakho. Imini into okuningi ukuthi abanye mabalate abuthakhwa bakazukuncede sure. Like sisabo bhuti maso.
Mem negele mo mem ke no fit samlaetsa mem ke rumile. Like mem ubako mem like ubako from ubako arakathaba mem molobona habuwa mem
Mang one angizwa?
ubako mem
Oh, goalkeeper. Oh, awubakwe. Oh, yeah, okay.
mem ukhuphela habuwa kumem lete ngwena akathaba lebona
Oh, okay. Yeah, ke tlo mo rapella hape ya. Re fire. Yeah, we lo wela. Abuwe ka lebitso la Jesu a wela buwe ne. Yeah, sure. As var. Yeah. Ke khopela re feditse ne. Okay, sharp. All right, let's bow our heads. Guys. All right.
May the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ and the love of God please be with us now and forevermore. Thank you. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord, for there is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Amen. Sure.
Go round.
All right. Okay. All right. No, Raleboha, ke khopela hore ne this week ne ke nyako le fa challenge ne, and then we're going to report on it ne. Mfunipha I challenge. I want all of us this coming week to face one thing that scares us. Ne? One thing that scares you, I want you to face it. Anything you tusang. And I get uska mpotsa ka lefifi. Anything that scares you, eirang hore ha o nahana go tswella pele mo bophelong ba hao, whether ka ditoro or ka eng ya o tshosa, ke khopela hore beke e we face. Yes? This week we are facing things. Listen to me. We are going to face things that delay our progress. Yeah. And oskampozo progress me ya hore ke na le legwaba ba ke tshaba bolela ronyane e ha re parking ne right park. We are going to face things that hinder us from moving forward. Hona le dilo tse dingwa di itse wena dilo tseo di ra hore o ska tswella pele because of what? The fear is bigger than you taking a step. So that, not all those things, that one thing, a one. And Oscar Hamemo is king Bekiaka. Utore Bekiaka nearly so, and I faced this one thing. Even if you go palla, Mara, this week we are going to work on what? Confronting the one thing that scares us and that keeps us from moving forward. Adios, guys. Ciao. Sure.